Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how we can connect our phone to Honda Civic. It is so simple. The first thing to do is to click on source on the screen. When you click on source like I have just done, then you have the apps on the screen. Then you click on the one that is showing the Bluetooth icon. So this is the one. Then you click on like this. When you click on like this, it will appear like you are seeing. Then you click on phone. This is phone. And you click on phone. So no phone is paired to the system. Would you like to add phone now? When you see this, quickly run to your phone and ensure that your phone Bluetooth is on. So this is my phone. I'm going to check the Bluetooth and then I switch on the Bluetooth. So after doing this, then I click on yes on the car screen. So the moment you click on yes, you click on continue. So it's now searching and your phone too will be searching. So both are searching. We can see iPhone on our car screen. Then we click on it like this. So when you click on it, the figures that have appeared on the car screen will appear on the phone. Then you click pair like I have just done. When you click pair, you click allow. Then you are done. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.